1:32 p.m. There is a line of cumulus clouds that developed on the east coast sea breeze. There is even a shower that's going on and off with that. No lightning yet, but this tower looks quite interesting. There's this towering cumulus and the main shower core is to the right. So I'm gonna just go close enough to see any lightning if there is any. There's nothing else developing right now anywhere, so that's the only chance right now. Okay, this shower I went as far west as I could, and this shower has just produced a clap of thunder, an intercloud one I think, or a very brief CG somewhere, but I didn't see the flash, so it must have been within the cloud. You can see that to the left there is the updraft, it's spreading to the west, maybe a bit southwest, and there is to the right, there is a rain core which is just developed. I'm just waiting till it produces some CGs if it does. Okay, I'm gonna go because this is not gonna produce anything, at least I don't think so. Okay, right now I am at Okeechobee, eastern bank or how to call it, and there are some nice developments just north of me. You can see this. The town of Okeechobee is about 50 kilometers north of me, and this activity looks like to be just around there, maybe a bit south. Very nice shoot-ups, very nice developments. It's growing really fast. Well, actually now the lower part of the cloud is more interesting. Oh, it's sort of cumuling up. It's this animal which is developing. That's interesting. You can see these very nice shoot-ups to the right. There is no thunderstorm actually yet, not much. There's a heavy precip, except one core, it's probably the left one, that there is isolated strong precipitation. Okay, I've seen the first CG to the right. Basically right now from a bridge you'll get a great view of the whole storm. You can see it right now, it's the extent of it. I'm gonna approach it as much as possible, and then I probably turn right somewhere on a small road. The road is turning much better now. I think there was a strike now. Not sure how they... It seemed to me like a flash. Nice, just in front of me there was a strike. CG within that heavy rain. Okay, visibility is now better. You can see the whole core. See if there are any flashes. Okay, I've turned on 618, I think it was, and I'm going east. Better direction with respect of the storm. Getting some gusty winds coming from the storm. Okay, now it's just in front of me, this dark red core, this dark black core, so I'm expecting to get some nice CGs from this. Actually on the radar it looked as if the stronger core was more to the north. I think I should follow the black core because there are the flashes back in Martin County. The storm looked like that sort of on the border. This big drops point is the updraft. These drops are fine for the updraft. Flash, wow, this is to the left here. Wow, nice. Very heavy rain falling right now. Both on the been also very close. Nice. I can see the flashes now, I'm close enough. So I'm gonna stop here. Observe. With good visibility from here. Wow, nice. Wow. There is a one lightning core right in front of me. Let me just get a great position. And it looks like the northernmost part is the strongest. I think the strongest core is the one just to the north. I'm not sure what it's doing, if it's falling apart or intensifying. There's a flash. Wow, nice. This is just in front of me. A little over 1 kilometer. The flash. I think I'm gonna turn the car around because it seems to me that most of the activity is actually behind me. I'm just gonna measure the rain that has fallen up to now. How much rain is there? 42 millimeters. The must be in less than 1 hour because that's how long the storm has been here. So it's about 4 kilometers, so I'm gonna try and capture more of the lightning. Wow, nice, wow. Just in front of me. Yeah, I might stop here for a while, see, just locate the lightning. I'm sure that should go south, north. Yeah, it's to the south, definitely, so I'm gonna go south. I think it's to the right, so I'm gonna stop when I can. Yeah, this is west of me, I can hear the thunder. So I'm gonna stop somewhere with the view to the west. Now the view is much better. Yeah, I can see that core on another side, or on the side towards the center of this north south. I think it's sort of over there. Flash. And it seems to me that the strikes are not visible now. Another flash. I think I'm gonna move a bit more south because I see just flashes. There must be heavy rain to the south. I'm gonna flash. I don't see the actual boss, so that's why I'm gonna move on south, and then there will be an option of turning east. Wow, nice. Just in front of me, maybe you've seen it. Wow, nice. Flash just to the south. Actually, I think right now where I am is a good observation spot. It's 26th of July, 3:45 p.m. and I'm seeing these nice CG boats over there. So I'm gonna keep looking. Oh, nice, there was a one. Yeah, it's about 4.5 kilometers from here. It's flashing in the anvil as well, so I may get some crawlers. Oh, nice, wow, whoa, this one was long. 2 kilometers from here. Whoa, what was this one? I'm gonna turn the car around because I think there are more strikes visible in it. Wow, this must be very close. It must have been like under 1 kilometer this last one. Nice. About 3 kilometers from here. There must have been a strong CG, I could feel like the shaking of the ground and strong thunder. Yeah, it's still flashing down to the south. You can see actually, I just looked at it and it seems like it's developed either southwards or northwards. So I'm thinking about heading back north towards the northern core, which I think I'm gonna do because the southern core is too far to be reached. You can see the northern core. I'm gonna go a bit north and turn towards the west. Okay, on the 710 heading southeast. I just caught up with the storm. Time is 4:41 p.m. and looks like the storm is sort of developing eastward slowly, going very slowly but quite strong at the front side. I can see flashes coming off from the right hand side, south of this rain falling into the angle, and from part of the storm we just blown apart on the other side of the storm. Very heavy rain, these clouds blocking, dark clouds are converted clouds which are being seeded by the angle, producing such heavy rain here. I've just managed to get close to the storm. There was a strike about 3 kilometers from here. Let me do the rain gauge first, which is here. That's 26 millimeters just here. Oh, it looks like it's falling apart. I'm gonna wait just a little longer. Okay, I'm going now west to the west coast. There are no other storms near the east coast. Nothing organized, just a huge animal. But on the west coast sea breeze has kicked in, and it's been dry here all day, no storms, so it's heated up a lot. There is lots of energy available for these storms, and I think the upper levels are a bit drier here since no convection developed earlier, so there is some chance for some stronger thunderstorms in this area. Look to the south, there is another tower which is just shot up. If that organizes, I may go after that one, but I'm not sure about it yet. We'll check that out later on. Okay, I decided to chase this storm since it appears to be strong on the radar. It's the closest one to me, and it looks very nicely. It's shooting up, overshooting top over the previous anvil. Actually, the overshooting top took over the whole anvil. This right part of this cumulus was just an overshooting top. Short while ago it took over the whole anvil, and there are further cumulus clouds to the west, which is to the right. So I think it's gonna go on. It's gonna be a strong one. On the radar it is also very strong. It doesn't look like it's extremely strong like hail or anything, but I think it's isolated, so some nice lightning could be with this, and if it develops further I wouldn't exclude even hail. So it's still at least 20 kilometers south of me. It's 6:48 p.m. right now. It's the time for the strongest thunderstorms, like sort of 6:30 to 7:30. Usually when it could be lighter, or there could not. There don't have to be severe storms at all. So we'll see. Right now you can see how this main tower, the great one, is sort of creating its own anvil within the old, I mean the first totally old anvil. Is the left part, the leftmost side of the top part of the cloud is the old anvil. Then to the right there is the new anvil from that overshooting top which took over. To the right there is a new core just shooting up. Just in front of it, it seems like there is another core trying to shoot up. And to the right, it seems that there will be another one shortly, so looks like it's gonna be quite an active storm. It's growing rapidly and I'm getting close as well. Now you can see the other storms. These are the ones along the sea breeze, east coast, west coast sea breeze over there, but they are kind of far away. There's a small convection to the north. There is this sea breeze, and going to the south, the storm is still large. However, the anvil is taking over, so I don't see much of the towers, but it's very strong on the radar. Okay, I decided the storm inland was not very organized, sort of falling apart, so I decided this is the whole sea breeze. That's the inland convection. This is a sea breeze. There are a couple of thunderstorms, some of them are already falling apart. Some of them are still about to mature, some of them are still developing. So I'm gonna go there to this west coast sea breeze front. I should see some nice convection over there. It's on the radar, it looks interesting, and even from here you can already see, like to the right, this angle, the storm has already matured and it's falling apart, but this one in front of me, there is a nice tower still going up. The one on the right side of the anvil, there is a tower which goes up, and that's probably the storm which will be most active right now. And there is a tower to the right of it as well, just below that anvil, so try to get there, get some good lightning from these storms. Okay, I've just seen the first bolt of lightning on the left hand side, nice CG branched, going exactly against the storm, so should be about 10, maximally 15 kilometers from me. Wow, nice. Wow, very nice CGs. same area just in front of me. I'm under some clouds. Yeah, look like cumulus, probably caused by the outflow of the storm. I can actually see a sort of a shelf cloud on the front side of the storm right now. You can see it. Right now on the route 27, I believe, or 29 actually. I'll probably take 62 northwest because the strong storm is sort of in the direction between Naples and Fort Myers, so you can actually see it even here how dark it is towards that area. Yeah, view getting better. 7:45 p.m. It is the core, and there is even a stronger core to the north. It's building very slowly northwards, but these cores are quite long-lived, which is good. There are some black bases above me. I'm not sure how high they are, if there's the potential of development, but I think they won't make it very far since there is no insulation under the anvil. Right now heading northwest towards Fort Myers. It's flashing in front of me. Not very frequent, but there are some flashes, certainly. It's a nice basis to the north on this line. Going towards Fort Myers since it looks like it's most intense. I think I'm gonna go towards Fort Myers, continue going on this road. Then I'm going to take probably the I-75 north. If there are occasional flashes in front of me, there is heavy precipitation along the front. But it's spreading on the sea breeze to the northwest, so I'm going to go towards the strongest core of the storm. Precipitation and the road is wet in here. 26th of July, 8:04 p.m. and I'm heading towards Fort Myers. Flash. I think it was on the front side of the storm. It's a big flashing activity is increasing. Wow. Right, that flashing is quite frequent. The precipitation rate also frequent. I don't see any rain gauges around here, so I can't measure how much has fallen. Very nice flash. Sort of in that direction, which is the northwest from here, that's where the forest. These are whoa, nice. Wow. There's a CG to the right of me. Very nice. Rain getting heavier as I get closer to these flashes. Wow. Active storm. Again a flash. I just wonder if these are real CGs or not. Very intense. It's like flashing all the time. In about half an hour it's gonna be darker, so I will see more flashes. Flash. Wow. Okay, right side is pitching and getting heavier and heavier. Start spreading northward on the series, so I'm gonna head north. Wow, that's very bright. Still flashing all over the place, but I'm heading to the heaviest core. Very nice. Wow. I think it's a bit to the left. Looks like it's a bit behind me, but the core is in front of me. Wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow. There is one core must be just to the left of here. But I'm heading towards the stronger activity, which is to the north. Wow, nice and bright. And here, thunder, and it's the whole car is shaking. I'm gonna head right, even though there are, wow, bright flash. Then there are more flashes to the left. I think it's gonna develop northwards, so it's gonna be more intense towards the north. So it's not raining right here. I'm sort of in a gap between the storms, just like that. There is dark storm to the right, dark storm to the left. Actually, the left, wow, I didn't see the board, but it was very bright. The left storm is much more lightning active than the right one, but the right storm is gonna intensify. Wow. I'm heading westward with the storm, exactly as it's moving, so I'm gonna stay in this direction with the strikes. So, yeah, wow. I'm not sure when it's time to move south. I'm gonna move west, and when I think I'm near the storm, I'm gonna move to the south towards the core. Wow. I think I can move south shortly. Take me right here. I'm gonna check the radar now very carefully because I'm not sure where it's stronger, which of the storms is the stronger one. There's northern storm, so definitely highway 17 north. I'm going back to the Interstate 75 and then go to US 17 and then to north. Northern storm is really more active than the south. Wow. Wow, whoa! I just seen, I'm not sure if it was in the camera. There was a nice CG board and a very long flash accompanied it. Firefighters, so some flooding or something was occurred, or fire from lightning, or wind blew down something maybe. Wow, it's a very active storm over there. Approach it on the Interstate 75, going north. Then I'll get off the Interstate 80, and then I'll move north on the Interstate, I think it's 17 if I'm right. It's 31 or one of those. I don't know which one it is.
Fairly stationary will affect areas between Frostproof and Bowling Green, Sawmill Springs, Lily, Whiskey Creek, Washula, Arcadia, areas east of Mayaca City, Parker's Corner, Cape Coral, Fort Myers, and Tice, until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Gusty winds and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is expected with the stronger storms. If caught outside, crouch down in a low spot away from dull objects. Torrential rains will cause ponding of water on roads and minor flooding of poor drainage areas. Your local forecast for the WXK-83 listening area for DeSoto County, Florida. Issued at 4:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Chance of rain 20%. Friday, partly sunny in the morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. Scattered thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the lower 70s.
Wow. So I'm approaching this highway 80, so I'm gonna get over here and short out going north. That's where these frequent flashes are coming from. That's really at least one flash every 2 to 3 seconds. Wow, wow, wow! Very frequent lightning taking place over there, right? Wow, it's like all over the place, the flashes and everything is coming from virtually everywhere. Yeah, and it's spreading north, I can see it. They talked about Arcadia, so I'm going to Arcadia. That highway which goes in there. Wow, wow, it's really bright. It's like flashing really everywhere. It's a whole sea breeze front where the storms are moving north, it's flashing just. Wow. Just want to find this front part and get to the CGs because they are very frequent. Some interesting weather could happen there as well. Wow. Just in front of me, but I'm gonna. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Very bright flashes down there. It's flashing, the whole sky is flashing right now. That's what I'll call bright. Nice. It's a very strong one here. There is no rain right here in about just a few kilometers, not more than 10, probably much less. There is heavy rain and very frequent flashes. Wow. Okay, junction with route 31, that's what I need. I need to go north on 31 towards Arcadia, exactly this, that's what I want. Oh, this is very bright. Okay, whoa! There was, just now, as I said, there was very bright and nice CG. Wow! Just in front of me, actually, these CGs are happening in front of me more than to the right. Wow, nice. Junction is 78. I think I'm gonna move to the right here because it seems to me that the core of those lightning strikes is over there. Wow, whoa, nice. Wow, nice shot on. Wow. Most of these are, it's actually still east of me, I can see most of the flashes coming from the east. Wow, 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 nice. I was supposed to go to the header rain, so wow, I think I got this one, wow, but, wow, another one, and if it doesn't, I'm gonna probably, whoa, I'm definitely observing this. No way, I'm gonna, even if there are strikes everywhere as possible. Whoa. Almost too far over there. Turn around here. Wow. It's like flashing everywhere. I get flashed from the north, from the south, from the east, western as well. I just want at least one of those very strong ones because that was the reason why I turned around. Because they were occurring right where the camera is looking now. Wow. Wow, nice. This is great. Nice. Turn this night vision off, it will be better without it. Very nice molecular CGs. Okay, it's time to check the radar. I don't see many flashes, but I'm not sure where the flash core is. It's really flashing from all over. Whoa, nice. It's a bit to the left. Let's move a bit west. Go to the west because it looks like the main core is over there. So going towards the area which is most active out of these storms. There are quite a few cores actually developing in the area. It's shooting up very nicely for this time. It's 8:54 p.m. Very nice developments over there. So I'm gonna go east with this route because it's developing eastward. It's definitely flashing east of here most. Nice. These long flashes, these are actually crawlers shooting through the whole cloud, spreading out. Somewhere here I turned around exactly where I am for those nice bright stripes. And right now it's producing exactly this storm which is producing these nice stripes. It is producing just bright crawlers which are invisible because of the rain. So I'm gonna move to the east. It'll stay like that. Wow, ooh, this is nice. Even there must be a... Wow, nice, wow. There are like so many... The storm system is so large, there's a large angle, large precipitation area, quite a few cores shooting up. And once like it starts off, these crawlers like go across the whole sky virtually. It's like daylight for a time. Nice. Wow, nice crawler, nice. Wow, again. Wow, nice. Just wonder when will I have the opportunity of going back north. There's a stop sign, that's a good sign that there may be a route north. Not sure about it. I can actually see the bolts from the northern storm as well. If it stayed like this, that would be great. Like exactly in this direction. Wow, do you see that? How frequent that is? Wow, it's like flash. There are, wow. Again, there are at least. Let me just count it. But so far I've got 18 strikes per 10 seconds. As soon as I put this on the tripod, well, it's 9:08 p.m. and now this road is going exactly towards the east, which is not bad, but it could be better. Again, this activity is similar as I know with supercells. I don't think this is a supercell, it's just a very powerful storm benefiting from the heat and from the moisture which is accumulated over all day. Especially these days when the convection doesn't develop until the evening. They are good for these night storms because the energy just builds up until the evening and then it shoots up. Wow, whoa, I just did a crawler. There are some smaller routes going to the north, but I don't want to risk that because it might be a dead end. Yeah, that's good. Wow, whoa, nice. There was a nice crawler type strike in this. Wow. More, wow, nice. Wow, nice. I think there was a CG in this one. On to the north, so I'll go north because I don't see any town close, which means that this road must go for some distance. You can see the crawler in this one. Nice. Wow. Yeah, this is definitely a multi-cell. There are at least 3 distinct strike cores occurring, which is incredible. Wow. It's like flashing from the bottom, some of them are in the top, and it's not raining here at all, which means the storm is benefiting from all the heat which is accumulated here. The air is not cooled down. It's great. All ingredients are great for such a strong lightning storms. Wow, nice. On the left. On the middle, nice crawler. Chasers are sending me a message. Oh, wow, nice. Wow. Check the radar now to see which storm is a stronger one, but there are very nice crawlers in between these two. Wow. But I think the left storm is a bit stronger. Maybe it's closer, I'm not sure, but the flashes are much brighter. By the way, the right one is the east one, the left one is the west one. In intensity. Wow. Wow, there's a crawler high up in the sky. They're flashing now, but the left one is closer. And I have actually no options right now, so there's really no way of thinking about which one is the stronger one. I'll just leave it the one where the road gets me. Wow! Wow, very nice. There are 2, wow, nice. I just see the CG to the right, below the cloud base. Frequent shots up. Wow, nice. Whoa! What to do now? I can go right or left. Not sure what to do. Really? I think I'm gonna go right because the right storm is the more dominant one. If I went left, it wouldn't go north. Or actually, it. Wow. I think from the heat. Wow. Very strong. This was great. There was one area in the cloud, very strong bolt shot down to the ground, and from the same place, the bolts shot up through the cloud, like they went to all sides in the cloud. Actually, the eastern part of the storm is the most frequent, the most intensive, so it's actually quite good on heading east, in a way. Wow! This was like a very long crawler just above me. The storm is so large to be very hard to focus on any one single area. Wow. Gets to it, but I think wow. Actually, I'm on 29 going north. Wow. Made it so far east, all the way to 29. I'm now sure that this won't be a dead end or anything. This will, I know a bit where this goes, so it's a good route to be on. Wow, there's a CG all the way to the west, and those storms are now falling apart. There must be a thunderstorm just north of this one. Actually, these night storms are so lightning active also because the air above the ground is, wow. The air above the ground is cooling, so the instability is increasing a bit in a way in the evening, for a while at least for these storms. But there must be a new storm developing north of here, which is probably obscured by all these clouds from this previous storms. Wow! Seems like now it's more active on the western part. Wow, nice. Bright flash down below. It's flashing more to the west and probably even to the north. I'm gonna check the radar once again. See where is all the activity, what's it doing. Wow, this is nice CG. Wow, and there must be a crawler just covered by some low level clouds. Still seems the eastern part is older, and the eastern part is quite intense, and the western as well. The eastern part looks like it's sort of at the development stage, so it's really quite hard right now. The flashes seem to be a bit to the north because they are obscured by the low level clouds caused by the previous storm. There are definitely two strike cores. One is to the left, west, and the one is sort of in front of me, but covered by some low level clouds. It's more to the left, west of here, I would say. So what I can do now is just wait till there is a route to go towards the west. I'm getting some rain, which means I'm on the eastern part of the storm system. And it's not producing any lightning, so I think I'm gonna have to go west soon. One core to the south, one to the north, and the one above me is sort of falling apart right now, I think. But there could be additional development because of these big drops. The rain has stopped. There's a junction with one route, let's see which one. 74. But I think it's better to go west because the strikes are there anyhow. 74 to Punta Cana. I think I should check the map before, but I think it's definitely better to turn left than to go straight. Wow. 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 Whoa, nice crawler above me. Wow. Should have put the camera upwards. So I can see this. Right now this road is like turning a bit north. But I'm going back, so... Wow, nice. Nice crawler. Looks like this storm is falling apart. The one I am near or almost under. It's producing quite a few crawlers now. Oh nice, check the radar, wow. You see the whole storm system. Wow, nice operating. I'll probably turn north if I have to get vision it now. Wow. You see the whole system. Actually it's stronger to the north towards Sebring. The option of going south, I don't want to do that. Wow, nice. Wow, nice, another one. Wow. 731 north, that's great, that's what I need. Yeah. Wow, nice crawler. This storm above me, the rain falling from right now, it's like a storm which was like a very active one short while ago. It's falling apart now, producing these another crawlers. These very frequent flashes in front of me, this thunderstorm north of here. That's where I want to go because it's very intense. There's not much signal around. There are flashes going from the left and flashes going from the right. This road is now turning eastward. I hope it's just a twist. So, well, wouldn't be actually bad going a bit east because those flashes are slightly to the east, but I'd rather go north because right now I don't see much of them in the camera. Getting some large, wow, nice. Doing some large drops falling at me right now. And this road is now turning excellently. That's nice flashes. I just don't see. Wow, nice! Whoa, this is a great crawler. You can see the whole structure in each flash. Nice! Wow! There was a brief period with no rain, and right now the rain is back. Looks like I'm getting slower and slower, closer and closer. Wow! Wow! So I hope it won't turn too much or not for too long. I'm entering some kind of village or town or big drops falling with me right now. Flash to the right, that looks like a new core is developing. Wow, this is nice. Wow. There's definitely new development just to the right of here. But I can see the storm to the left is much more intense. So I'm gonna follow that one. It's 10-11 PM. In the worst case I can go up to the right storm, but I would rather go and follow the left storm because it's like way more intense. Wow! Watching the right storm, the camera is pointed to the right storm. That's my view right now, the 11 action storm is much more to the right. It's very heavy rain. Wow, nice! It's like flashing in many places right now. There must be more cores than one. There's a new quite strong core. It's northwest of Sebring, so I'm gonna follow that to the north. Yeah, the other one is definitely more intense one, so I have to go north. It's much more interesting if I go to Sebring and use that area. Wow, there's a 27, yeah, that's great. I hope it's 27, yeah, it's 27. Yeah, 27, that's great, I have to, wow. I just said like 4 minutes ago, I said it would be good if I get on the route 27. And right now, I'm on it. Wow, and I can see some cumulus clouds, some big developments, some towers in front of me. Wow. Flashing for me, wow. I think this is the Thunderstorm. Just north of the storm, I have to pass through Sebring. After that, there is a much stronger storm, so after a strong one, probably. Wow, nice. Wow, this was, whoa, again. Wow, nice. Looks like this one is falling apart. It's producing more and more crawlers. It's just the low clouds which are a bit of a problem. I can't see a lot through them. Wow. You can see these cumulus clouds getting larger and larger, the ones which are in front of me, which is potential development for later on. Yeah, this one is spreading sort of westward, but the heaviest precipitation is to the right. So I'm not sure whether I'll follow the lightning or... Wow. Nice. Whoa, nice. There was a crawler just to the left. Nice. Oh. Option. Whoa. The strikes appear to be more to the left of the road, but on the radar I can see Sebring is 32 kilometers north of here. And the core is right, developing towards Sebring along this road, so yes. Wow. I'm definitely heading to the strongest part of the storm, so even if it's flashing to the left, getting into some rain. Wow, this is nice, close. Wow, nice, wow. There's one core in Sebring, the other one just northwest of Sebring. And Sebring is 50 miles, that's about 24 kilometers. Wow, it's like daylight. Wow. I don't actually see the actual boat. The rain is so heavy. And then I can see the flashes from the other. Whoa. Wow, nice. Whoa. Wow, nice crawler. I route 98 right now. I think goes towards Tampa. I'm not sure how far I am from Sebring, but I think I should be there quite soon. Wow, nice. Track activity is mostly in front of me. Some of it behind me, but I'm going for a northern storm. It's much more active. Still an occasional flash coming from the north. I can't see much from this location. I'm in town in Sebring. Wow, okay, this is great. I'm going exactly where the flashes are. Wow. Nice. Wow, nice CG. Looks like all the other cores have eased up. There is just this one. Nice. Wow, nice. Looks like there might be some developments to the right. I'm not sure about that yet. Wow. Yeah, flash is going from in front of me. I'm not sure how far from here, but I'm gonna get there. Nice. Wow, you can see it's actually developing north along this highway. It's great. It's a bit north of Sebring. That's exactly where I'm going. Looks like these storms are developing along sea breezes, which are sort of met in the middle of Florida. This highway is also going sort of in the middle of Florida, so it's actually a great highway to chase such storms. Nice. This one was from the right hand side. Let me actually recheck this. Yeah, that's actually good because Sebring, I'm just on the north side of Sebring. There's the end of one line of convection. There is another line of convection just north of here. But I'm not sure whether that one is more active or whether this one is more active. If this one is more active, I'm gonna just stay with this one. Wow. Oh yeah, it's developing northwards. Exactly along this highway. Wow. not sure actually right now where I should go because it just flashed in front of me. I think it's still gonna go northwards because that's really the most active one. It's 11:21 p.m. and there is a storm near Sebring. I'm gonna check out actually where exactly it's located right now, and I'm gonna head there. Definitely have to turn around because there are clear skies in front of me, no rain, so it's 64. It hadn't been already. Okay, definitely turning around because the flashes are coming from behind me, so let's go south. So I'm probably gonna go east because the storm is east of this. Wow, oh nice. Just in front of me, wow, nice CG. It's sort of a line of storms. I'm not sure which one is the strongest. There's a very light rain falling from the angle. See these storms, this line of storms, it has developed actually on the outflow. This whole junction of sea breezes has created a huge area of precipitation on the east side of that because there's an easterly flow. New storms are kicking up. These are these flashes that you are seeing here. It's now flashing more to the south, but that's not matter as much. The most important thing is that wow, it's in front of me as well. I think I'm gonna continue going east because generally eastern motion is good right now. This very heavy rain, which makes it difficult to see that storm by these skies. I can see the cumulus clouds occasionally there. There's some fog coming on the road here again. Nice. We're actually northeast right now, and the other road east again. So nice. Nice. Actually, I'm getting out of the rain, I can see it. This rain area, sort of the angle is above me. And on this right hand side or this eastern side, the outflow of this angle is kicked off. That storm which is flashing now, I can see that it's storm tower as well. And the flashes even out of it, there is some kind of a light source, I don't know what's that, probably the moon. Or some kind of big tower, but I think this is the moon. Because there's almost full moon, so you can see the whole cloud in the moonlight. It's not definitely just another camera, but like right now, between the flashes, or during the flashes, you can see the storm cloud, which is developing there, and that's the downflow, or downwind, area of precipitation. I'm out of the rain right now completely. Going southeast, just north of the storm, but the storm may be moving to the northeast, and a bit against me. So. But I would still prefer to go with southeast, right of the storm. So I'm sure how large the strikes will be visible and how much longer it's gonna go on. Wow, nice. It's some cumulus clouds east of the main storm, possibly additional development. Wow. I hope it's gonna turn back very quickly. Yeah, I can see a road going south. I just seen a car going to the right very fast, so nice. Let's see which one it is. 60 going east. Wow, definitely better than south. You can see there is lots of vertical motion, cumulus clouds going up. This must be some heavy rain because it's not working. I feel over. Wow. I think there are two cars actually. One side to the south, and we'll check the radar. Wow. You can see how it's moving east. And moving east as well, but sort of parallel because that's very bad for viewing. I just entered Osceola County. Around the county line. Oh, nice. Wow, oh, nice. I just see a crawler. It's a bit stronger, there's no signal, so I can check the radar. Wow. Looks like there are additional storms further east. I'm checking the radar right now. I put some signal. Just want to see how many storms we are in with here. I have two storms actually. Who's heading east? One to the north, one to the south. I'm not sure which one is the stronger one. closer to me. I can see the flashes from this sudden storm as well. They are sort of not so bright. Not sure if they are in the camera, but I just seen one. Wow. Wow. I see some towers in front of me. There's a chance of some smaller town that could have a route to the south. It's also a northern storm. I've been going for at least 20 kilometers and there hasn't been a route to the south. So I hope I'll get one pretty soon. So it's turning again to the left. Flash. Nice. I can see flashes in both clouds. There was one to the left, followed by the closer cloud. Nice. Nice. Some new cars kicking up. Flashes shortly after one another from the same area. Wow. Junction at 441. I think I'm at St. Cloud right now, if I'm right. 441 and turnpike. I'm gonna do a quick stop here, check the radar and see if I could use a turnpike anyhow. Let's see it, yeah, just north of Lake Okeechobee. Wow. I'm gonna go 441 south. Yeah, 441, that's good. This should take me right in front of those stars. That's what I need. Nice. To the right of here.